What's going on, doggies? Welcome back to another video. Alright, today I want to teach you 3 ways how to start a fire without using lighters or matches. It's super effective, it's really fun, so let's dive straight into it. So this is the first and my favorite way how to start a fire. All you need is a battery and a chocolate. So the reason why this is my favorite way to start a fire is because you get to eat chocolate. So we don't actually want the chocolate. What we want is this foil. By far the best way to start a fire. So there's 2 main things you need to start this fire. One is some sort of a dry material, a dry tinder. So I've just found this coconut husk over there on the beach, which is absolutely perfect. And I've gone and collected a little bit of dry grass from just up the back there. So we'll take our delicious chocolate wrapper and we'll just rip off a section of this foil. You want to rip a little bit out of the inside, like this, and we'll repeat that on the other side. So we're left with a piece of foil from that chocolate, which looks like that. Take the paper from your Kit Kat wrapper and just rip off a small section, something like this. We're going to wrap that paper around this foil that we've cut out. Alright, we're just going to connect the 2 terminals together using this piece of foil, and it should go up. Should start smoking fairly quickly. Oh no, my Kit Kat wrapper's coming undone, but there you go, you can see it's smoking already. She's smoking. Look at that. So that's getting really hot now. That's good. This is perfect. So now we're going to get our tinder. She's really going up. Yeah, look at that. That is a beautiful thing. So we'll just place this in here. Now we can just keep growing to this tinder pile. We wrap it in our grass. And boom, just like that, we have fire. That's a very nice way to make fire out of a battery. Look at that. And the second way we're going to start this fire is with this. A plain bottle of water. Believe it or not, you can actually start a fire with a bottle of water exactly like this. All you need is a bottle of water and some super dry tinder. Now this, look at the wind's just carrying that away. That's a really, really dry tinder. We're going to use this bottle as a magnifying glass, and you're just going to concentrate it. Maybe if you push him down a little bit. We're going to concentrate it on that section there. Now this doesn't take too long usually if you've got a really dry tinder. So we'll just hold him there. You got to be patient. Oh, it's starting to smoke. You can see that smoke there. Look at this, it's starting. It's going, it's going. See it turning color? Look at that, it's smoking. So as you can see there, that's actually, there's an ember built up inside here. So now it's very important to add to the top of the pile. Oh, this is beautiful. We've got a really good ember going on here. So we'll grab our coconut husk. We'll place our coconut husk on top. Make sure the ember goes on the coconut husk. Look at this, guys. And we repeat like we did before. So we'll wrap it in our grass. Woohoo! Look at this. Woohoo! Oh, it's smoky. And boom, just like that, we have fire. Woohoo! From a bottle of water. Whoa, I'm about to melt my camera. So there you go, we just started fire with a bottle of water, and it took about, how long did that take? 20 seconds, 30 seconds? But the key to doing that is the dry material, 100%. If you've got dry material, you can pretty much start a fire anywhere, as long as you've got sun. First time I ever did that, I did it around a campfire. Oh, it wasn't a campfire, sorry, it was down the beach. We were fishing, and the guys that I was with were absolutely mind blown. I should have put money on it. Anyway, so the third way we're gonna start a fire is with this plastic bag. It's actually a Ziploc bag. I carry these in my backpack all the time when I do big treks fishing, so I can take the fish fillets back. So these always stay in my bag, and it's a really easy way to start a fire as well. Fill him up. It's also very important that you have, if your water is like the clearest it can be, it's gonna start a fire a lot easier. So you want something that looks very similar to that. And you're just gonna pinch and twist this without popping it. I've only got one of these bags, so I can't pop it. So this round shape here, that's what you want. That's what's gonna magnify the sun as it comes through the bag of water. The reason that it starts so easy is because this is so dry. It's very important. All right, we're gonna find our point. So usually I have a lot more success with a plastic bag than a bottle. So look at this. That's already starting to smoke. You can see the color change there. Look at this. That is unbelievable. So just like the bottle of water, it works exactly the same. We've got our ember. That is, I actually surprised myself just then. That's probably the quickest I've ever done it. That was not long at all, but then again, it's a very hot day and I'm using extremely good materials. So sometimes what'll happen, it'll get stuck in the coconut there. So we can maybe try transferring it. Hey. Maybe we can try transferring it just straight to this. We'll blow. All right, so now we've got a little bit of a light on there. Transfer it to our bigger pile. I don't have a lot of dry grass left, so I'm gonna wrap it in this Kit Kat wrapper. Comes in handy again. It's pretty much all the dry grass I got. That's gonna do nothing. Wait! Ow! And there we go. Starting fire with a bag of water. So there you go. 3 ways of starting a fire without using matches. The most important thing to remember is if the tinder's dry, you'll pretty much start a fire every single time doing that. It's got to be dry tinder. Alright guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button if you want to see more, and I'll see you in the next one. Meow!